PSA-80 PRO. Vision. Multiple parts have been placed on one table. Our 3D vision system accurately maps every object, their size and orientation. Raised and recessed profiles are rendered with accuracy. For the sake of demonstration, Francois volunteered. That's the power of true 3D vision. "3D vision unlocks true hands-free operation. No jigs, no manual measurements. Just drop the doors anywhere and press start." The PSA-80 PRO provides non-stop, precise, and consistent performance with zero supervision. This frees your operator to focus on other tasks, maximizing productivity and labor efficiency. Think it's too good to be true? Book a demo. Autonomous robots, trusted by industry leaders.